So welcome back guys. Today we'll be doing the speed test of JioFiber and I am using 30 Mbps plan and we'll be streaming a full HD video on YouTube and come let's see. Okay guys, this is the router here placed behind the TV. So as you can see, the total 4 devices connected to the Wi-Fi. One is TV, 2 smartphones and another laptop. Let us do a quick speed test. Let me tell you guys, I'm using 30 Mbps plan and let's see the speeds. I have observed guys, you will get close to 30 but not exact 30. Most of the times it will be less than 30 only. Let's play this 4K video and check how does it handle. So guys, as I've observed, uploads are very low. Most of the times it doesn't even cross 20. Let's check again. So this connection is not for heavy users. Mostly 2 to 4 people can easily stream. Let's check the upload speed again. Again, it was not able to cross 20 Mbps. So it's the main issue in this JioFiber. Let's try to play the 4K video on YouTube. Okay, let's try to play the video at the same time in all the devices. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let me just skip the ad on PC. So the TV is full HD and the video is being playing at 1080p, and PC is also full HD and my mobile is also full HD. So all three screens are playing at 1080p. Okay, let me show you in TV. It's being played at 1080p. And let's check in mobile, and yes, it's being played at 1080p only. Okay guys, so far so good. It's been able to handle all three screens at full HD. So let's try to push the laptop screen to 2K. So it's loading. I think it's gonna take time to buffer. Okay guys, let me just tell you that only the smartphone is connected to 5 GHz Wi-Fi and rest all connected to 2.4 GHz. So since this is a 30 Mbps plan, the speed is almost same, but only the range gets reduced. Anyhow, 5 GHz is only useful when you have speeds more than 100 or 150 Mbps. Check in Ookla. Okay, regarding the plan guys, at 30 Mbps plan you can easily get 25 to 27 and you can't expect more than that, and sometimes you will face downtime from the servers as well. So don't expect like 30 or more than 30 Mbps. You won't be able to get those speeds on this plan. Okay, let's add the small phone to our test and see whether it has 480p display. Let me just show you. The resolution is set to 480p. Okay guys, now all four screens are able to stream the video. So far so good, and let's push the PC's resolution to higher. It's okay, and it's able to manage all three at full HD and one at 480p. I think it can handle one more full HD display. Okay guys, let me just talk about the disadvantages or the cons what I have faced with this connection. So first, at the time of booking for connection, the technician told that he'll come within 1 week and they'll do all the installation and everything, and I'll be able to use it within 1 week, they told. But the problem happened after 1 week. I waited 1 week patiently, but after 1 week when I called him, he told like give me more, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. He just kept postponing the installation time, and finally it was almost 1 month late. They came off after 1 month for the installation process, and I had to make almost 10 to 15 calls every day, and in the whole month I think I have made more than 100 plus phone calls for their team. And it's not like it's not available in my area, because behind my house and another house they also have JioFiber installed. Another disadvantage is the downtime or the loss of internet connection. Like last month it was like whole day down, like almost 24 hours I was not able to use the internet. I think they did it purposefully because it was the last day and I had to recharge it. Okay, so but considering the price of the plans, we can just neglect it, and it's okay for the home usage, not fit for like for multi users or for offices. People like who are constantly uploading or downloading heavy files, or if you are like a heavy users, if your home has like 2 to 4 heavy users, you will just see a little drop in the speeds.